Okay, we are actually going to go up and watch Jaydon make an airplane. I'm going to do both. So today is Saturday, May 16th, 2020. And Jaydon is using his magnet blocks to build an airplane. So while he's doing that and while you're watching him, I'm going to get Ira on the line so I can get a picture. Oh boy.
10:37 a.m. 5 notifications.
Well, yeah, don't call him yet, because... You making your airplane?
Yeah.
Settings. Double tap to open. Dock. Messages. 12 unread message. App switcher. Arrow. Active. Swipe up arrow. Active. Arrow. Skip feedback. Button. Skip feedback. Submit. Button. Comment. Oh, good. Button. Selected. Submit. Button. Thanks for your... Invite. Button.
Oh, you have your bus. Vroom, vroom.
For those who may not know, Jaydon is a little over 3.5 years old. He'll be 4 in August. Did you make it?
Yep.
Okay, hang on. Hang on.
For free. Call Aaron for free.
Where's it at?
Oh, he's on the floor.
Okay, hang on.
Leave it there.
Don't move it. Don't move it.
Don't move it.
Yeah, sit beside it.
This is JC. What would you like to do today?
Yep, want to take a picture of an airplane that our 3.5-year-old son just built with his magnet blocks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now, can you see it?
Calvin.
Yeah.
Yes. Move the camera. Point the camera slightly to the left a little bit.
Down.
Great. Oh, one of the wings fell. Okay, now he's got them back on. Okay, and then point the camera down a little bit. Alrighty, and I'm gonna take the photo in on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Taking a picture. Ellipsis.
And I've got it.
Okay, Jaydon, do you want to sit beside it so she can
Sit next to your airplane so we can get a picture with you.
sit down beside it so we can get a picture with you with your airplane?
Do you want to save that first one that's
Yes.
not in the picture?
Yes, just send it to my email.
Sure, send it to your email.
Jaydon,
Huh?
sit next to your airplane.
Save
I did.
Okay, don't touch
to
it.
the email.
Yeah, don't mess with it. We don't want it to fall apart, Jaydon.
Cool part.
Okay, and now I'm gonna take a second one. Okay, it did. The wing fell off, but he's
Oh.
putting it back on. Now point the camera slightly to the left to get it all in there. Perfect. And we're taking a picture on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Taking a picture. Ellipsis.
Is it free?
You did.
Yeah.
All right, and so I've got him and the airplane in the photo.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Good job, Jaydon.
Thank you.
So there.
Now you can build something else.
And then just email both of those to me if you can.
Sure thing, and I am.
You should make a rocket.
Both of them
Yeah, make a rocket.
right now. And
Oh, you're gonna make another airplane?
today.
Yep, that'll do it.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye. You're going to make another one.
Hopefully she said that she labeled them so we know which is which.
I know. I'm trying to have him in the picture because I'm still videoing right now.
Wave at the camera, Jaydon.
Huh?
Wave at the camera.
Wave at the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, Calvin, say hi. Calvin, run away.
Selected. 4.
Yep, it's a video of your brother.
Thanks for your...
You ready?
Invite. Button.
Whee! Get down.
2.
Look, you little Harvey monkey.
There's another wing.
You get down.
I hope I'm videoing him okay, you guys. Although from what I understand, this has a pretty big lens on it, so you should be seeing him. He loves his magnets. We've gotten him, how many sets? 3, I think? May's gotten him 3 different magnet sets.
His arm needs some work.
What you're hearing in the background is Calvin with his car. It seems to do that more on level 1 than it does like level 3.
Does it on 3 too.
See, it doesn't seem to be as bad.
Oh, now he's not playing with it. Oh, we gotta change your diaper. Get down!
Look.
What'd you make?
It's on my hand. Look.
What? Let me see. Oh, it's a, oh, I see it. Let's see. Yeah. Interesting. He's got like a, for those who can't see, it's like it's a triangle.
A triangle?
It's a long triangle with a point up at the top, and it is made out of 3 blocks. And he's got kind of his hand, if you can see how his hand is here, his hand is kind of up inside the triangle. So it's kind of like a, I don't know what you'd want to call that, but there you go. There you go. All right, Daddy's gonna go ahead and get this one saved, okay?
Tell him bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yep, wave bye-bye.